Are you looking for entertaining and educational content to watch? Subscribe to our YouTube channel today for a variety of interesting videos on topics you love. Join our growing community and never miss out on new uploads. Hit the subscribe button now. Discover new ways to learn and be entertained by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Engage with like-minded viewers and stay updated on our latest videos. Don't miss out, click the subscribe button and be part of our exciting YouTube community.
Day 7 Zanzibar location, an archipelago off the coast of Tanzania, East Africa. Main islands, Unguja commonly referred to as Zanzibar and Pemba coordinates. Approximately 6.1659 s, 39.2026 e, capital, Zanzibar City, with its historic centre known as Stone Toe Unguja, about 1,666 square kilometres 643 square miles. Pemba, about 988 square kilometres 381 square miles. Population, approximately 1.3 million as of recent estimates. Establishment, part of the United Republic of Tanzania but semi-autonomous. Key features, 1 Stone Town. Historic significance, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its rich history and cultural heritage. Architecture, a blend of Arab, Persian, Indian, and European elements. Landmarks, House of Wonders, Old Fort, Sultan's Palace, and the Anglican Cathedral. 2 Beaches, pristine coastlines, white sandy beaches with crystal clear turquoise waters. Popular beaches, Nungwi, Kendwa, Paj, Jambioni, and Matembe. 3 Spice plantations. Spice tour, guided tour through plantations growing cloves, nutmeg, cinnamon, and black pepper. Historical importance, Zanzibar is known as the Spice Island due to its spice trade history. 4 Marine life, coral reefs, rich marine biodiversity, ideal for snorkeling and diving. Marine reserves, Manai Bay Conservation Area, Chumbi Island Coral Park, and Nembatul, activities and attractions. 1 Historical tour, Stone Town, explore the narrow streets, historical buildings, and bustling markets. Slave Market Memorial, learn about Zanzibar's role in the East African slave trade. 2 Beach activities, snorkeling and diving, discover vibrant coral reefs and marine life. Water sports, kite surfing, windsurfing, and sailing. 3 Cultural experiences, traditional music and dance, experience taarab music and traditional dances. Local cuisine, taste Zanzibar's unique culinary blend influenced by African, Arab, Indian, and European flavors. 4 Nature and wildlife, Jozani Chwaka Bay National Park, home to the endemic red colobus monkey and diverse flora and fauna. Dolphin tour, dolphin watching at Kizinkozi. 5 Spice tour. Plantation visits, learn about the cultivation and processing of spices. Tasting sessions, sample fresh spices, fruits, and local dishes. Conservation and challenges, 1 Conservation efforts. Marine protection, initiatives to protect coral reefs and marine ecosystems. Wildlife conservation, programs to protect endangered species like the red colobus monkey. Sustainable tourism, efforts to promote eco-friendly tourism practices. 2 Challenges. Environmental threats, climate change, coral bleaching, and overfishing. Cultural preservation, balancing tourism with the preservation of cultural heritage. Economic disparities, addressing the economic needs of local communities. Importance, 1 Cultural. A melting pot of African, Arab, Persian, Indian, and European influences. Rich history as a major trading hub and former sultanate. 2 Economic. Major tourism destination contributing significantly to Tanzania's economy. Spice production and fishing are important economic activities. 3 Ecological. Diverse marine and terrestrial ecosystems. Important habitats for endemic and endangered species. Travel tips. 1 Best time to visit. Dry season, June to October, ideal for beach activities and outdoor exploration. Short rains, November to December, with fewer tourists and lush landscapes. Long rains, March to May, best for budget travelers, but with more rain too, getting there. Flights, direct flights to Zanzibar International Airport, Abid Omani Karume International Airport from major cities. Ferry, Regular ferries from Dar es Salaam to Zanzibar. 3. Accommodation. Range from luxury beachfront resorts to budget guesthouses and boutique hotels. Booking. Advance booking recommended, especially during peak season for health and safety. Health. Vaccinations recommended for yellow fever, hepatitis and B, typhoid, and malaria prophylaxis. Safety. Generally safe for tourists, but standard precautions should be taken. Interesting facts. Swahili culture. Zanzibar is a significant center of Swahili culture and language. Freddie Mercury. Birthplace of the legendary Queen singer Freddie Mercury. Clove production. At one point, Zanzibar was the world's largest producer of cloves. Zanzibar offers a unique blend of history, culture, natural beauty, and adventure. Whether exploring the historic streets of Stone Town, lounging on pristine beaches, or diving into the vibrant underwater world, Zanzibar provides a rich and unforgettable travel experience.
Are you looking for entertaining and educational content to watch? Subscribe to our YouTube channel today for a variety of interesting videos on topics you love. Join our growing community and never miss out on new uploads. Hit the subscribe button now. Discover new ways to learn and be entertained by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Engage with like-minded viewers and stay updated on our latest videos. Don't miss out. Click the subscribe button and be part of our exciting YouTube community.